No, wish nyo to lahat, lalo na si Joanna. Alam ko may nanitest na to.
Thank you for representing the Philippines. Love you, Billy! Congrats sa inyan. Good luck sa Coachella. Galingan niya ang malalim. Congrats, Billy! We're so excited to watch you on Coachella. We always knew that you were meant for that stage.
Break a leg, Billy! Let's go!
Hello mga atas ko! Galingan nyo talaga. Talaga namang galingan nyo talaga. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, masasabi ko lang ay
Sobrang excited ako at proud ako sa inyo agad-agad.
I wish I could be there, but I'm with you guys there in spirit. See you guys when you're back. Good luck.
man, we're very proud of you. We love you.
Sobrang proud ako lang po. At nandyan kayong walang makakatalo.
I just want to say that we are so proud of you guys. Thank you for making us Filipinos proud and for raising our flag globally. God bless you guys and more power. Maraming salamat.
Good luck, Vini. I'm going to be one of the blooms, one of the very many blooms in the crowd. And I will bring our tarpaulin if I can.
Ngayon pa lang, congratulate ko na kayo sa magiging performance niyo sa Coachella.
And I just want to congratulate and wish you guys good luck dahil magpe-perform kayo sa Coachella.
Congrats and good luck sa Coachella. Alam ko na i-slay nyo yan.
We are beyond proud of you guys. We are very, very excited for you guys.
Ang dami naman ni Tanejo.
Big, big stage.
Plural form.
Gusto ko na sabihin na super proud kami sa inyo. Congrats in advance and good luck sa Coachella.
Hi, Vini! Congratulations and good luck sa performance niyo sa April sa Coachella.
Everyone from the universe, I just wanted to show my support and how proud I am that Vini will be on the Coachella stage this coming summer. Good luck sa Coachella!
Good luck and God bless.
We are also proud of you kaming nasa show business. Proud na proud kami sa inyo. Ibang klaseng milestone to.
Yes, binabati po namin ang Bini!
Congratulations! Hindi lang kami ang proud sa inyo, kundi ang buong Pilipinas at ang lahat ng mga Pilipino.
God bless sa performance nyo. Alam namin na marami kayo mapapasay dyan sa Coachella. Congrats!
Yes, you guys deserve it. And simula pa lang kayo, mas marami pa mas magandang ng bagay na nangyari sa inyo. Iwala kayo sa sarili niyo. You guys are the best. Bini, so proud of you guys. That's your pandemic. Oo nga, Bini, basta huwag niyo akong kakalimutan. Basta luto na. Congrats! Let's go!
Gusto ko lang i-wish kayo ng good luck and all the best. You make us really, really proud.
Hello, Vini! Congratulations!
Well, congratulations and good luck po sa inyong Coachella performance.
We are proud of you.
Viva Prize! Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino!
Very, very proud of you. And when you step on that stage, don't just perform with your feet, perform with your hearts. Okay? Yung pusong Pinoy. God bless you. I believe in you. I love you. I'm here for you. We are here for you always, Vini.
Hi, Vini! No, girl, gusto lang namin sabihin na sobrang congratulations and good luck. You'll really shine bright dyan sa Coachella. And all of us here at buong Pilipinas ay behind you.
Congratulations sa inyo. Isa rin namin sa performance niyo. Enjoy every second of it.
Oh, I'm so proud of all of you guys. Thank you for representing the Philippines. Killing.
I know you can do it. Tagaling kayo po sa ito na yung moment na yun. Super happy mo guys. I love you all.
I would like to congratulate Bini, of course, for being able to perform sa Coachella. Congratulations sa inyo.
Congratulations and good luck, Vini!
Sa pagpunta na sa Coachella, we're so proud of you.
Ipagmalaki ang talentong Pilipino.
Stay healthy.
Yan na.
Well, syempre, bago tayo magpatuloy, we'd like to ask you girls. Parang naiiyak si Jo. Syempre, we wanna ask you muna, anong reaction nyo sa napanood yung video?
Yes, marami nang nagmamahal sa inyo.
Of course. Sino gusto mo na?
gusto po namin magpasalamat sa lahat po ng mga co-artists po namin and mga P-pop na bumati at nag-good luck po sa amin for Coachella. Hindi po namin na-expect ito and talagang ito po yung genuine na na-surprise po talaga kaming lahat. And alam naman po namin na hindi po mangyayari lahat ng to kung hindi dahil sa inyo, Blooms. Nagsimula kami dito, parang hindi pa namin alam kung saan kami magpupunta. Hindi namin in-expect na magkakaroon ng Coachella ang Bini. Pero dahil sa pagmamahal ninyo, dahil sa hope ninyo, at dahil sa prayers nyo, mangyayari na yung ultimate goal namin. And kasi isasama namin kayong lahat doon.
Does anyone else want to say?
I also, we want to say thank you to all our Blooms kasi nga we wouldn't be here and we will not be there without you guys. So thank you so much. Dadalhin namin yung love and support niyo when we're there. So I hope kahit yung iba nasa Pinas pero patuloy pa rin yung support from afar po.
Anyone else want to say anything? John, baka ikaw. Kasi si John nag-i-emotional sa video.
Hindi na-overwhelm ako.
Bakit ka na-overwhelm, John?
Sobrang na-surprise lang talaga kami. Parang ewan ko ba kasi syempre hindi naman madali yung rehearsals namin recently. Parang talagang lahat ng pagod mong pag-uwi mo talagang bagsak ka na lang talaga, di ba? Pero alam ko na magiging worth it to lahat. Grabe, parang kaming binuhusan ng confidence for Coachella. Thank you po sa lahat ng bumate. Thank you guys, thank you. Ayun, ayun.
Well, girls, before you head off to Coachella, bukod sa mga video greetings na yan, this is from us, from all of the Blooms na nandito, and everyone in the Philippines na nagmamahal sa inyo. Ito, meron kaming konting regalo para sa inyo. To show our love for Bini, to show our love for our best girls.
Magkano ang bagan niyo dito?
Magkano tong game na to? May contribution sa inyo.
Parang wedding ring.
Ang laki!
Anong flavor niya?
Blooms, wala mo nang uuwi. Sabay-sabay tayong kakain.
Lahat mag-taste out.
Ang laki!
Hatiin natin, uwi kayo ng may pagkain.
Alam ko to!
Oh, at meron din kayong flowers. Ay, kumakain na sila. Bloom, sabayan niyo po ako. Sabihin natin, we love you, Bini. In 3, 2, 1! Yan.
Galing pala kaya.
Ang tanong, masarap ba yung cake? Masarap ba?
Matamis yung strawberry.
Matamis yung strawberry. Ayun, kumakain sila. Nag-enjoy sila. Oh.
Picture lang po tayo. Ayan, photo lang po
Photo
tayo.
up with the cake and with the flowers, please.
Yes, photo lang tayo. Sorry, girl. Ito na. Dito daw po, girl, sorry, photo op. Ayan, go.